This is code.org. Let's see what we have here. What do you think this program does? Notice we can't hit run. We can't hit run until we type something, and then you can't change it. Your answer is submitted. So let's think through this carefully. All right. So we have a class, obviously, and then we have the declaration of some variables, an int, which is a fancy name for a number, an integer, double. So a double just means a decimal, boolean, true or false, a string, yep, that would work. String, new string. Oh, that's a weird way of doing it, but that would be fine. Okay. And then we have this system out print ln. My integer, and then it says plus my int, my double plus my double. Well, the word print is here. So my guess, honestly, would be that this is going to what? What do we think? If they're using, right, because code is readable to some extent, regardless of your skill or knowledge of programming. So system, push out this print ln. So I'm going to say, now obviously you want to write in sentences, but I don't know, things I would think about would be, things I would think about is, well, I think it will, so bloop, right? So what do you think it does? Look up here, right? We have some variables. So what do I know it does? Different variables are being created, and not just created, right? They're being assigned values right? Because this is or maybe I shouldn't say created, maybe I should say declared, and different variables are being declared and assigned values, which is defining them. So this is the declaration, and then we define it as this number. So that's true. Now, what else is happening? What else do I think is occurring? Well, I see the words print, so printing. So this isn't complete sentences. This is my words, not yours. Variables are then printed to the screen. But this is at least my general idea of what I think is happening just by looking what is here. Let me hit run and let's see what we have. Interesting. And we will be seeing this more later, but look how it says my boolean, then true, my string, then hello world, my other string, then welcome to Java. And notice what we have here, system out println, my integer in quotes, and then plus my integer, or plus my boolean. And does it print my boolean? No, it's actually outputting the value. That's pretty cool. And we're going to see more of this as we go on. Hey, that looks pretty good. Cool. Onward.